It was saying that somebody leave you from the class.
So no, maybe network problem, right? Okay. Good morning, all of you. A very good morning to all of you.
Yes, ma'am.
Morning, ma'am.
Good
Good morning,
morning.
ma'am.
Good
Good
morning,
Good
morning,
ma'am.
ma'am.
morning. Now we
Good
do
morning,
some
ma'am.
warm up
Good morning,
exercises
ma'am.
to make ourselves fresh. Rub your hands. Put it on your eyes. Yes. And close and open your eyes. Again, do this. Put it on your eyes. Close for 2 minutes. Relax. Open your eyes. So, are you all happy today? Yes. Are you all
Yes,
ready for
Yes,
today's topic?
yes,
Yes,
Today's
ma'am.
topic is very interesting, which
yes,
we are
yes.
going to continue, which we have done yesterday. Profit and loss. Vansh Balchandani, please, after the class now. So, Gunav Gura, keep your camera on. So now we are going to start our chapter profit and loss, which we have already started. Now I'll give you a short brief on what is profit and what is loss. Please pay attention. Keep your mic off. Prachi ma'am, yes. Vivan Balchandani, Prachi ma'am, keep your mic off. Vivan Balchandani, keep your
okay,
mic
ma'am.
off. Okay. Suppose I purchase this book at rupees 100. Purchase price and the bought price, BOUGHT. Bought is also same thing that I bought this book. Purchase is also same thing that I have purchased this book. For example, I have purchased this book for rupees 100 and I sell it to Vivan Patel at rupees 120. So how much profit I earn?
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
20
20
rupees
rupees.
profit.
Very
20
good.
rupees profit.
20.
Yes,
Ma'am,
very.
20.
Parnika, you got how much profit I earn?
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, can you say the question again because there was some network
20.
issue.
Okay, I purchased this book at rupees 100,
20.
right?
Ma'am, 20.
Very good, Lakshya, very good. And I sell it to Vivan Patel at rupees 120. So how much profit I got?
20 is more.
20
20.
rupees.
Here is profit
More.
or a loss?
Ma'am,
Here
20
is
rupees.
profit for me or a loss for me?
Ma'am, profit, profit.
Profit.
Profit for you,
Profit.
ma'am.
Profit. Yes. Just a
Profit.
minute.
Profit.
Profit. Because I purchased it for rupees 100. And when I sell it, then Vivan Patel gave me 120. Can you see here? Two
Yes,
10
ma'am.
rupees note and 100 rupee note.
Yes.
So how much extra I got from Vivan Patel?
20.
20 rupees.
20 rupees.
20
20.
rupees.
So this 20 is profit for Prisha. Keep your mic off.
Ma'am,
Ayaz, put
means
your mic
Vivan
off.
Patel has lost. Ma'am, Vivan Patel has lost.
Yes. We are not talking about the Vivan Patel. I bought this 100 and I sell it to rupees. Vivan Patel has not lost because he need to buy. Yes. So he didn't know that
Yes.
I have purchased on 100 and I am selling it on 120. He is not aware, right?
Yes.
But he needs to buy
I'm
it.
also profit.
Yes, he needs to buy it. He had purchased at 120 and he has given me 20 rupees extra, which is my profit, which is my profit. Am I clear to everyone what is profit? When the
Yes, ma'am.
purchase price, when the purchase price or the bought price or the cost price is
Ma'am, I
less
can't hear
than,
you.
which child is this?
Ma'am,
Ma'am, I can't hear you.
Which child is? Tell me your name.
Eva, ma'am.
Riva. Sharia.
Viva, log out and log in again fast.
Ma'am, for me, it's also a profit.
No, we are saying who for whom it's a profit. The person who purchased and the person who sell, we are calculating the profit and loss about this, right? See, if, yes,
Ma'am, again and again your camera's off, going off.
okay, I'll check. Now,
Now, yes, now it's clear.
okay. If we purchase, if the cost price is less than the selling price, in that case is a profit. Cost price means purchase price. When we purchase is less, right? And when you are selling, and we can say in other words, when the selling price is higher than the cost price, selling price is higher than the cost price, in that case, profit. Yes or no?
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Yes.
And if
Yes,
the
ma'am.
cost price is higher, see, because I think this book is going to be old now, and now I have purchases on 100, right? But now this book is going to be old. If I keep it on more days with me, maybe it will not use for me. So I want to sell it to Trisha, and Trisha wants to buy it. I said, okay, I will give it to you on 80. I have purchased on 100, but now I am giving it on 80 because of any reason. So what is this? Here I am earning profit or I am earning loss?
Ma'am, you are earning loss. Ma'am, you are
Sorry,
earning loss.
not words will come with the loss, right?
20.
Loss, ma'am.
Loss of rupees,
20, that's why, ma'am.
loss of rupees 20 because I purchased on 100, but now I sell it on 80.
Yeah, ma'am, you are changing the price of it.
Yes. So now it's a loss of rupees 20. Have you understood, everyone? So now the easy concept is that when the selling price is higher than the cost price, in that case profit. When the selling price is less than the cost price, in that case, sorry, when the selling price is less than the cost price, in that case what? Please write answer in the chat box.
You can repeat the question. Ma'am, what
When selling price is higher than the cost price, in that case what happened? Means you are selling it at high.
Yeah.
Again, I'll repeat my two questions. Again, I repeat my two questions. My first question is, when selling price is higher than the cost price, then what you will calculate? Selling price is higher than the cost price, then the purchase price. In that case, profit. Yes.
Profit.
Nake Italia. Nake Italia.
Ma'am, what is the question? Your first again.
When the selling price is higher, when the selling price is higher than the cost price, what will be in that case?
Profit. Loss.
Profit. When selling price is higher, which child is this? Aryam and Sangai, sit properly. And when the cost price is higher, means you have purchased at higher price and you are selling it at less price. In that case, what? Loss. So now on this profit and loss, let's have a video.
P. Ma'am, P is equal to S.
Yes.
P is equal to
Loss.
We will learn the formula. Lakshya, very good.
Ma'am.
Keep your camera on, Riddhi.
Ma'am, this is my papa's formula. Father.
Okay.
Ma'am.
Very good. Yes, Riddhi, tell me.
If the selling price and the cost price are equal, so
Then no profit, no loss.
okay.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Now,
I have a question.
yes.
Ma'am, I was asking that if you are selling something and it is a 500,
Yes.
ma'am, what will be the profit or what will be the loss? Nothing
So
will be there.
you should know what is the selling price and what is the purchase price. You should know both the things. Okay. If you have anything, you have anything near you? You have anything, any object near you?
Yes.
Tell me, show me.
My pad.
Okay, your pad. You have purchased this from the market?
Yes.
How much? Do you know the price? Remember the price?
It's written over here. It's 150.
150. Okay. Now, if you want to sell it to somebody, can you choose any of your friend from the class?
Twisha.
Twisha. If you want to sell Twisha, right?
Yes.
For how much you want to sell?
Yeah, I will sell it in 150 only.
If you sell it at 150, then no profit, no loss. Because you have purchased at 150 and sell at 150, then no profit, no loss, same price. Now, can you change it with other thing, with the other example, with the other money?
200.
You are selling it 200?
No, I will sell it in 180.
180. Very good. If you are selling,
80
Lakshya,
rupees
wait.
profit for me, right?
Yeah,
Okay.
it's a profit for you. For how much amount is a profit for you?
80 rupees.
You have purchased it at 150
20 rupees.
and selling it at 180.
Yeah.
Yes, Dara, can you tell me how much profit?
Ma'am, 30 rupees.
30 rupees will be the profit. 30 rupees.
Yes, 30
30
rupees. Jahan Agarwal is 30. 180 minus 150 is 30. Mandra
Yes, it will
Jodia,
be 30.
stop messaging, please. 30 rupees profit. Understood now?
Ma'am,
Okay,
may I
now-
also give an Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Prisha will give me one example.
It will be
Wait. Those who have doubt, wait.
I
I'll
have
come
a
back to you.
thing.
The Dharya, it's
I have
033.
a thing.
Ma'am, by mistake.
Which child is saying I have a thing?
Ma'am, one chocolate is 20 rupees. I will.
Wait, Lakshya is giving example. Yes, Lakshya.
Ma'am, one chocolate is 20 rupees. I will sell 30 rupees.
Okay.
So how much?
So how much profit you will earn, Lakshya?
10.
Very good. Everyone clap for Lakshya. Excellent. See, he has
Ma'am, can I see? Hello, ma'am.
purchased one chocolate for 20 rupees and he is selling at 30 rupees. Vivan Balchandani, please take care that what you are typing in the chat box.
Ma'am, I can give example. Ma'am,
Wait, Dhyan Dalal, can you give me one example?
Ma'am, if I buy a football, I am a shopkeeper.
Yes.
I buy it from
Yes.
I buy a football
Okay.
of 150
Okay.
and
Yes.
I sell it for 200. So
Yes.
it is my profit and I got profit of 50 rupees.
Very good. Can Ayush will try example of loss?
Ma'am, I can. Okay.
Yes. Wait a minute. Wait. Ayush, can you come please little closer to the mic?
Can I, ma'am?
Wait a minute.
Now,
Yes, Ayush, tell me.
suppose I took this gun.
Yes. Ayush, you are not audible clearly to me. For 2000 rupees. Okay.
I purchased a gun from toy shop at 2000 rupees.
Okay.
I thought that now I don't want to play with this gun.
Farzan, sit properly. Karnav, sit
And
properly.
I give it and I sell it to Ekansh in 1000 rupees.
Okay.
So I have a loss of 1000.
How much loss?
1000.
Very good. Yes, Samriddhi. Can you give me one example of profit? Anya Mittal, wait.
Ma'am, can
Anya, tell me.
Ma'am, can I please?
See, if everyone will say, can I? What you have to do is you have to type one or two examples and send it to me in mail, right? 2-3 examples you type for profit and for loss and send it to me in mail. Fine. Yes, Samriddhi, please try one example for profit. This is the last example and then we will go to the topic.
Ma'am, if I have dictionary of I buy dictionary for rupees 200 and
Okay.
I sell
Yes.
it by 300. So,
Okay.
so I had got 100 profit.
Very good. Anya Mittal. Last Anya Mittal now. Anya Mittal, one example for loss.
Yes, ma'am. If I have this,
Yes.
it is of 180.
Very good.
I'm shopkeeper, okay? And I sell it on 150. So
Okay.
it is loss for me.
Okay. How much loss?
Loss.
Very good. Okay.
If
Anvi, last try to you. Come. Tell me one example for profit.
I left because it
200 and I sell it for 250. So 50 rupees for me the 50 rupees will be the profit.
Very good. Now, very good children. You all perform well. After this video, I will come back to you to ask many questions.
ma'am, I have a question.
Yes, my dear. Tell me.
Ma'am, you said that for loss you gave an example that suppose I buy the book for 100
Yes.
and I thought it's getting old and it will
Yes.
be no use, and you
Yes.
sold it to someone in 800.
800, not 80, I said.
Yeah, you sell it to someone in 80.
Yes.
So
Ma'am, I can.
if it's getting old, so why would you
See, old means that I have already used now, right?
Yes.
I have already used, I have already learned. Like you children also, what you do with your books when you pass the grade 3, grade 2, what do? You give to somebody to use it. But we don't charge anything. But if I am a shopkeeper, in my shop, there are so many books. So if I keep on keeping them, they become old. Some like yellow pages will become, right?
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes.
So in that case, what I think I need to sell it at the less price. It will be better for me.
Yes.
Understood now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now I'm going to play a video on the same topic. Listen it carefully.
Ma'am, my mother is a CA.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, you send the video in chat box. Please.
No, I will share it in the classroom. Okay. Listen it and please guide me. Ayush, guide me whether it is audible and visible both. Lamha. Lamha.
Audible and visible.
Okay, thank
It
you.
is audible, visible both.
Thank you. Can you please just check from... Okay. In this, we are going to learn what is cost price, selling price, and what is profit and what is loss. The company shut down because of a heavy loss.
Yes, ma'am.
as I said, that my film released last year, you can see, these words in the newspaper.
I don't get it. What are they? And who can help me? Mom and Dad are not at home. It's no good crying. I've got to help myself here. Gizmo Gadget to the rescue.
Ma'am, I can't see your presentation. Now again.
There you are. Been long enough. You were supposed
It's audible, right?
Yes, ma'am, audible.
to
I'm
talk to
completely
today morning. Were you not?
I started from the
I'm getting all star now.
Hey, JC. Are you hungry? Can we help you?
As if they can help. JC, we are your guys.
JC, sorry to surprise you like this, but we can help you. Who are you guys? Hi, my name is Prophet.
And I am lost.
See, on blue angel it's written loss, and on red one it's written profit. Can you all see that? Yes or no, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Profit and loss?
Yes,
Hey, this is great. I just read
Keep your camera off now, please.
about you in the newspaper. Who are you guys? I'm confused.
We are the backbone of economics, you see. And once we arrive, we explain it all. You will not be confused anymore.
Excellent.
Let us show you. Okay now, JC. Let's say you buy a cute little puppy for 500 rupees. And then you sell it for 600 rupees.
But why will I sell such a cute little puppy?
That's not the point.
Loss, take it easy. Okay. As you can see here, cost price for CP is 500 rupees. And selling price or SP is 600
See, I have told you yesterday also what is the short form for cost price is CP, and selling price short form is SP.
rupees.
Can you guess whether you'll make
Now you will tell me here is the profit or loss. Any one child can switch on your microphone.
Ma'am,
Very good, excellent children. Keep your mic off now.
100 rupees profit.
Profit, ma'am.
Very good, Lakshya. Very good. Now, Man Rajodia will tell me. Man Rajodia, how much profit here?
Ma'am, 100 rupees.
Very good.
profit or loss?
I'm not really sure. Or why would I have asked you?
You see, JC, whenever the selling price is more than the cost price, then we make a profit.
See, I have explained you that also. When the selling price is more than the cost price or the greater than the cost price, in that case it's a profit or loss?
Profit.
Yeah. The selling price is greater than the cost price, greater than the purchase price. Cost price is also called purchase price. Cost price is also called bought price. The thing which you have bought on bought price is called bought price also, BOUGHT. And selling, but cost price and the purchase price, the words are same. Meaning is same for them.
And when the cost price is more than the selling price,
When the cost price is more than the selling price, in that case, what will be the condition? What we will get? Loss or the profit? Very good. Excellent, Lakshya.
Loss.
you make a loss.
That means by selling the
See, here the example is if you have purchased at 600 and selling it to the 500, in that case,
Loss.
loss.
we made a profit because the selling price is more.
Here the selling price is more, right?
Ma'am.
Yes, my dear Vihan.
Classroom.
Yes, I will send.
Correct. Cost price is the money that the shopkeeper
Now,
spends.
these are the terms which we are using in profit and
See.
loss.
CP and SP. Cost price
Yes.
and
price.
Yes, the cost price is the money paid to buy an item. This also includes any additional expenses. Additional expenses means that you have purchased a watch of rupees. For example, if I give you one example, wait a minute. Okay, can you all see me now? Yes or no? Show me thumbs up.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, you are not.
Now I am audible and visible.
Yes, ma'am. But you have not stopped the presentation.
Yes, I stopped the presentation because I need to explain you one more thing, right? See, now if I purchase a watch, right, and I purchase it at rupees 100, but in that now battery is low and I need to put its cell or a battery in that, and that is cost rupees 20. So now what will be the new price for my watch? Additional charges I added in that watch, right?
Yes.
I added some expenses which I have done. So now my cost price will be 120 because I purchased on 100, added 20 rupees for the battery. Now my watch cost will be 120. Now if I sell to Anvi at 140, so I will calculate it from 100 or from 120. The cost price will be 120.
Ma'am,
Yes.
Ma'am, I am saying that you said no that the wholesaler use items
Sit properly, Bihan, sit properly. Come closer to your mic.
Ma'am, you said no that the wholesaler gives things to shopkeeper and takes money, so it is called cost. Ma'am, so it is called cost price. Ma'am, but I am asking in the chapter I have seen that some people are giving to the the girl was giving to the shop manager. So who are that people?
In chapter,
Yes, ma'am.
you have not learned that there is a one lady, she has started the Man Rajodia way.
Ma'am, I am saying that only the lady.
Is a junk sailor, right?
Yes, ma'am. The lady takes junk from the other people who are there because the lady is only the wholesaler. And
She is purchasing from other people that we don't know in the book. She can be purchased from anyone. Please don't write about the timings.
ma'am, the class will
Yes.
at 10:15. Ma'am, I am saying that the girl is the wholesaler and she is selling to the shop.
Vihan, listen to me. After clearing the topic, I will come to the textbook also. Okay.
Ma'am,
Yes, Man Rajodia.
ma'am, I can say one example. Good example.
Yes,
See, ma'am,
Nishika, that is additional expenses. I'm again going to present my screen. Man, I will come back to you.
Okay, ma'am.
Depends on buying a certain item. The cost price also includes additional expenses on transport, labor, and maintenance.
do presentations.
Selling
Ma'am, please
price
do
is the
that.
2 presentations
Voice.
are coming.
Ma'am, please do voice.
Okay, wait.
No, ma'am.
Now
there are
presentation
one-
stop. Now again I will present.
Ma'am, I can't see presentation.
Please see now.
The shopkeeper receives on selling a certain item.
So now the selling price is the money received on selling a certain item. And in which case we will earn profit? When the selling price minus cost price, then it's a profit.
Or the amount of money left on subtracting the
And
cost
when
price
selling price
from the
is
selling
greater
price.
than the cost price.
To make a profit, the selling price should always be higher.
Loss is the difference or the amount of money left on subtracting the selling price from the
See, now the cost price minus selling price. So if you're writing selling price first, it means selling price is higher. And if selling price is higher, then it's a profit. If you are writing cost price first, because you know that in subtraction, we have to write the bigger number first. So if the cost price is bigger, when you subtract the from cost price, the selling price, in that case, it's a loss.
cost price. In a loss, the cost price is always higher.
Do you understand profit and loss now, JC?
Yes, I think I do.
Okay, let's try this. I bought a watch for 100 rupees and then I sold it to a friend for 120 rupees. Did I make a profit or a loss?
Wait, it is a
Selling price is more than the cost price.
then profit.
So you made a profit.
Very good, JC. And can you tell me how much profit he made?
Profit is the difference between selling price and the cost price. That is
See, when we write the formula, if we are calculating profit, we write profit first and selling price minus cost price.
120 minus 100. So you made a profit of rupees 20.
Correct, JC. See? Profit is a good thing, isn't it?
Oh, stop it, JC. Now that you understand us, are you happy?
Yes, I do.
That's great. We'll be going then. Remember to call us if you need any more help.
Bye, JC.
Bye. I think I got it. Wait. First, let me write the points down. Then I'll read it out loud. Okay, listen.
See now the points, I am going to send this video on the classroom. So what you are supposed to do is, you have to open the new page of your notebook and write the topic profit and loss, and whatever is written on the summary, you have to copy it down in your notebook.
The price we paid to buy items.
Now, ma'am.
Not now, when I will send you in the classroom, you do it as a homework.
Ma'am, this is a part of the homework only.
Yes, this is the part of home assignments. Plus, I'm going to send you few questions based on the topic.
Price.
Ma'am.
See now here yes, my dear.
Ma'am, today you are going to send any Google form?
Yes, based on profit and loss. So you have to solve the questions in the notebook and then click the final with the example and with the formula. Sorry, not with the example, with the formula. You have to solve it correctly in the notebook and then take the final answer in the Google form. Please don't directly do in the Google form. I want all the write-ups in your notebook also. So you first have to solve it in your notebook. Whichever the sums I will send you in the Google form. Please switch off your microphone, Mandra Jodia. And then you have to take the answers in the Google form.
It's called selling price. Profit is the difference between selling price.
So
and
these
cost
are the
price.
pointers which you
Loss
have
is
to
the
write
difference
in your
between cost
notebook.
price and selling price.
Ma'am, we have to write all the sums in the Google form. That are in the Google form, we have to write them in the notebook. So, ma'am, as well.
Wait a minute, I will come back to you all.
Ma'am?
Yes. Now listen it carefully. Keep your mic off, then only I will speak. Everyone.
Ma'am, please. Ma'am,
First, everyone keep their mics off.
are you gonna give? Are you posting the link now, or you are going to give it in the classroom? The Google Form link.
It is not CET, so it's a home assignment. It will come in the classroom.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Keep
now
your
I
mic
can
off,
tell.
everyone. Manrajodia, wait. Let me give the instructions to everyone.
Okay, ma'am, you can
Okay. Now my instructions are, first I am going to send this video. Fine. Give me thumbs up. You will get this video in your classroom. Then the last pointers, summary pointers, you are going to write in your notebook. Am I clear to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Am I clear to everyone, Daria?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Please show me thumbs up. No mics on. No mics on.
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Doubts will be solved. Wait a minute. Now, mics off, everyone's. Only you have to show me thumbs up. I'm going to send you this video in your classroom. I'm going to send you the Google form based on the topic. Yes? Yes. Now, what you have to do, you have to write Yug Bariya, sit properly. Ma'am is giving some instructions. So you have to do this page which is coming in the summary at the last of the video. You have to write down all the pointers. Then when I will send you the video and the Google form, you have to solve all the sums in your notebook with the formula, right? And then you have to click the final answer in the Google form. Am I clear to everyone? Very good. So I ended the class, today's class here. Those who have a doubt, they stay. Others can leave the class.